I put the candy on the chrome, the streets certified me. The streets certified me. Big Chevy sliding, swerving through the Florida streets.
The Caprice grill comes with even the chrome trim, compared to the Impala grill comes black. So a lot of people don't understand that, and that's why, you know, the 7.2 front ain't as nice. Well, you see, we got this is obviously a 7.1 Caprice. This is a 72 Caprice. We're turning our Impalas into Caprices over here. Since they don't make inverts, we're gonna make invert. People don't know the potential 72 actually has once it's done. But anybody who's seen a 72 hardtop two-door, you'll see how fucking those cars are beautiful cars, man. So imagine turning that car into a convertible. That's what I'm doing. I'm gonna show y'all what a 7.2, all the potential to a 7.2. I'm gonna hurt a lot of 7.1 feelings. Watch what I tell you. I'm gonna hurt your feelings with a 7.2. It's just like a little primer black I put on there, a little shiny black. Putting the whole car together first, so I can take it back apart completely and rebody work it. I'm gonna leave this straight glass. It's gonna be beautiful when I'm done with it. You see, I'm cutting it, turning it into a Caprice. It's an Impala 7.2. You know, 7.2s only made Impala convertible, so it's one of the very few with all the trim. You know, that triple black, you can't go wrong with black top, black interior, black outside. Getting built by me, you know, I'm gonna build it the right way too. I don't half step nothing. So
how come we don't see more of these Caprice, you know, verts floating around? Nobody's ever ventured off to do this, man. Is it hard to do, or?
Well, you'll see once I'm done with this one. You're gonna have a lot of people gonna start doing it, you know, because everyone's after the 7.1 right now. You know, 7.1 and comes Impala, and everybody converts it with Caprices. Not too many people do it to 7.2s, but once I'm done with this one, I'm gonna show a lot of people the 7.2s. Boy, they look really good when they're done right. But like I said, this one has the whole bottom molded, man. The whole bottom's painted. The whole bottom, the whole belly. So, you know, people talking about frame off. Frame off is all good and all that. My floors are gonna be completely painted and molded. So that's show car shit, man. Ain't no street shit here.
And what's gonna be up with the interior in this?
All black interior, black top, you know, black paint. I'm just doing everything black and chrome, and you know, pretty much that's it. Black and chrome everything. I got some nice wheels for it, but I don't even know. I might just leave it on some stock. I might leave it the stocks, just restore the stocks on it and cruise it like that. Use it as a daily, you know, who knows. Still got a lot of work to go, so it's getting there. I still haven't restored the hinges, so this is the way normal hood closes. You see how they close it hard? Once I restore the hinges, I'll do the close the hood challenge for y'all. One hand, straight down, let it go, closes itself the way it should be. Not like your garbage ass shops be leaving your cars, buckling your hoods and shit. This is Caprice right here, 72 Caprice. So the Impala, 72 Impala grill is different than this. It doesn't bring with the extra chrome and all that. And then it comes black. So the 72 Impala front looks dark because you have a black grill on them. You'll see the difference when I'm done with this one, how much brighter. This 72, how much more chrome it has, because I'm turning it into a Caprice. Y'all stay tuned. And then look, this little badass molding. This is another option that Impala doesn't bring. You see, this molding, this comes in black as well. So I'm cleaning it all out, polishing it out, making sure it's all good. I'm restoring the grills. You see, I got 72 Caprice grill I got to restore, and I'm restoring 271 Caprice grills. So I know what I'm talking about. You can see already that I already laid down the flags. I re-cleared the car already. It's still got to get wet sand and buff and put together. But brand new paint, freshly clear coated, I'm gonna try this close the hood challenge. I challenge every shop in South Florida to do this. Every shop that builds donks, all right? Do this challenge. Please do it, because I want to see how many shops down here could actually do this. See if y'all can prove me wrong, because I think there's very few. Let's see if y'all can prove me wrong. But we're gonna go ahead and try this out. This is called the Close Your Hood Challenge. All it takes is one hand, and that's it. If you can do that, post that shit. And if you can't, you better keep on working on your damn car so you could.
Big Chevy, rolling in Miami. Big Chevy, big Chevy, big Chevy, running in Miami. Big Chevy, big